Hi you guys, I was editing this video and I realized that it's shorter than most of the vlogs that you all see here, and I feel that's okay because it's a cute one. It includes a lot of people which I love, which are my really good friends, and I think you might know a few of them, so I hope you enjoy watching the video. But yeah, I will make sure that the next coming vlogs are longer than this one, but for now I think enjoy this short cute vlog and I hope you all like it. That was such an intense workout. It was intense also because I had a leg day yesterday at the gym and we did glutes today in Pilates. And yeah, I was halfway. I was like, dude, like my legs are cramping, my glutes are done, they are dead. But then we switched to core, which is fun but also like it takes so much from you. I am tired now and I need to quickly take a shower. I feel gross, my hair feels gross. I don't know what's up with my hair. They just get so greasy so quickly. Like I washed them yesterday and I'm washing them again today. I can't, like with my hair I need to wash them like every other day, every 2 days or something like that. So I've just made peace with it, so I'm gonna do that. I'm hungry, so I'll take a shower first and then eat. I'm going to a cafe right now. I literally just ate my lunch and got ready and I have to go again and eat with my friends, but I'll probably not eat. Off topic, this perfume from Kylie Cosmetics. No, from Cosmic. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so girly and so fruity and floral and I love it. But anyways, my Uber is waiting downstairs. I will probably think of like a excuse as to why I will not eat because I feel so full. I also ate like a cookie that came in like a PR. I feel so guilty because I did my workout, but it's okay. Okay, it's fine. Balance, right? I'm here, you guys, and of course I'm early. I'm literally the first one. There are 6 more people joining, but I don't mind that. I love this place. I've come to Silver Beach Cafe. I've only been here in the night time, but it looks so pretty right now. It's so cozy, perfect for like this rainy season. It's not raining right now, but it's so cozy. It feels so nice and warm. And yeah, I love this place. I hope everyone likes it because I have picked a place, so there's like this added pressure on me, but I'm sure everyone will like it. Favorite vlog person? Everyone who sees our vlog loves you. Any message for them?
I love you too.
Yeah. Do you like the place?
I've been here before.
Oh, then okay.
Yeah, this is the mini Andrew, which is the smaller one.
Everyone follow.
Subscribe to Muskan.
I will just.
I'm the editor. She's so sweet to everyone.
What is this?
Lemon ice. Wow.
This is the first time I'm trying their matcha.
हमें पता है.
How is it?
It's good.
It's good,
They put crushed ice in it, which I don't like too much.
Fake those guys.
तो slushy जैसा बन गया है.
Yeah, little. It's,
How do you?
they put it now for
That's just for events.
What is happening, dude?
comic. Same. That's insane.
You're just giving me abs and not nonsense.
One,
Now
two.
swap. Go in, out.
It is a Sunday evening. I will take full responsibility. I forgot to vlog. And actually I didn't do much. I'm stepping out right now for something really fun. But I was literally up. I was editing my vlog. It should be up. Oh my god, right now. Literally, it should be up right now. I scheduled it for 5 p.m. I was making a thumbnail. I was editing some last minute changes. And after all of that, I took a shower. I had to do like a brand shoot for a really good brand, and I'm so happy I got to work with it for YouTube. So you all will see like a fun YouTube shot with that brand. It's a hair care brand. That's the only hint I'm gonna drop right now. But anyways, right now I am dressed all cute because me, Anik, Riya, Agastya, we are all going for a cooking class. This is the first time I'm going for something like this, and I'm so glad that all 4 of us are going. We have just like left and we should be there in like 30-40 minutes. We are doing like a pasta and tiramisu making. I hate tiramisu, so I'm not gonna have that, but I'm excited for the pasta. And we're gonna like make pasta from scratch. I'm gonna be in my Nara Smith era. And yeah, enough talking. I am short of breath. I need water. Right now I'm just waiting for Anik to come. So till then, let me tell you all where is everything from, what am I wearing, where is it from, basically that. So my sunnies are from Prada. I got these on my birthday. Then this really pretty top with flowers on it and like a lot of lace detailing. This is from a brand called Label Guest List. And this, I don't remember where is this from. Then I'm wearing these beige linen pants. These are from H&M. This is the bag that I'm carrying. This is from Michael Kors. It's my absolute favorite. It's so tiny and cute. And then my everyday slippers. These are from Charles and Keith.
Muskan is the best person in the world.
No, you were saying something.
You're not gonna put this in the vlog.
I will put it in the vlog. Guys, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is like the cutest place I've ever been to.
I'm really hungry and there's so much food. It's so cute. Also, the whole place is so cute and such a cute vibe. Sorry, I'm saying cute a lot of times, but it is really cute. How much will you rate yourself? How much will you rate your cooking skills? Zero. Zero.
Zero and zero.
Rhea?
Technically, isn't that still 100% 0 and 0?
Shut up. Rhea? I will rate you 11. You needed the whole dough.
100.
Yeah.
You have done nothing.
I am gotten that.
Class चालू हो गया है.
I don't like all this. You guys know I'm not really from Mumbai, but I think somewhere along the way I have sort of found my people, and those are the people you saw in the vlog, at least a few of them. And I'm so happy because every time it's just so fun to hang out with these people. I forget everything when I'm around them, and I'm so glad that we all just like get to meet, get to have fun, and get to just be stupid with each other. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you all like it, and I'll see you in the next one.